Okay, this door right here goes into my craft room. I have another one, but that's just the extension of this one. But this is my original craft room that I work out of, and it is a mess. I mean, a mess. Yeah, I got my scissors over in that corner, way over there. I don't know if you can see me pointing, but yeah, over here. Over on the far wall is coming down, so I gotta get that fixed up. There is some people talking outside, so if you hear any talking other than me, it's our neighbors. Anyway, I was going through some of my quilting stuff. And see all this? And way up there at the top, I'm not going to show you right now what everything's in there. Uh, I got a new printer that for sublimation for my cups. And down there's my cups. Over here is my circuit machine. There's some stuff that goes with it. More and more and more supplies and trinkets and things. And my heat press for my tumblers. Oh, and down on here is my resin molds. Let's see what else. I'm trying not to turn too quick. Okay, that's just my apron for my crafts, so I don't get too much. I often forget to put it on. Here's my acrylic paints. This room is the second largest of my rooms, other than my bedroom. It is 10 by 8, I think, and it is small for me for all my stuff. I got a storage room in the backyard. I got a storage unit. Uh, that was not too big. That's about half this room. So filled with stuff, uh, like um, material and eyes and other stuff. Just waiting for me to start doing something to use them. More stuff, more stuff, more stuff. And like I said, uh, this room is a mess right now because I had seen that I had something of my sister's who had died several years ago still hidden uh, in on one of the shelves. So I took it out and I rummaged through it, keeping what stuff that I could use with my stuff. And this is what happened. I just, I haven't been in here for 2 months because I just, oh, my niece made that for me a couple of years ago. I just put stuff, this is more sewing stuff. I just put it all in what I can because it is a small room. And for that, I should really keep it more organized. But I get tired real quick. And once I stop doing whatever it is I was doing, I tend to just leave this room and go and rest my back and my neck and my shoulders, and everything, and drink something and eat something, and just, and I sometimes it gets so bad that of the pain that I don't come back for a couple of days, and then when I get back, I don't want to do anything. How many of you can relate to that? Anyway, I'm trying to sort out a lot of my sewing stuff, see how much of stuff I have of one item, so I can make some blankets, lap blankets that I donate to the VA nursing home up in Phoenix. Now, I haven't done that for a couple years because I ran out. Now I got a whole bunch of stuff to put together. Anyway, and this is what it is. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye-bye.